Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change Xenon Audi A6 C6. First, gather your tools, including a T25 torque screwdriver and the correct D2 Xenon bulbs. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged to prevent any accidental movement. Next, you will need to locate the access panel, which is typically found behind the headlight assembly within the engine bay. This panel provides the initial entry point for the replacement process. Now, with your T25 torque screwdriver, carefully remove the 3 screws that secure the headlight access panel. Once the screws are out, gently detach the panel to reveal the bulb housing and its associated wiring. Be mindful not to pull too hard on any wires. The next step involves disconnecting the electrical connector from the igniter. Simply press the small tab and pull it away. This ensures no power is flowing to the bulb during replacement. To remove the old bulb, twist the igniter counterclockwise by approximately 1/4 of a turn. This action will unlock it from its position. Now, carefully pull out the old D2 Xenon bulb from its socket, being careful not to touch the glass part of the bulb. When inserting the new D2's bulb, ensure it is correctly seated and aligned within the housing. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb to prevent contamination from skin oils. After the new bulb is in place, reattach the igniter by twisting it clockwise until you feel it lock securely into position. Then, reconnect the electrical connector firmly to ensure a good connection. Finally, replace the access panel and secure it with the 3 T25 torque screws. Before closing the hood, turn on your headlights to test the new Xenon bulb. Remember to check the description for a link to those meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.